Hello, my fellow makers. It's me again, Dr. Masra from UPM. We meet again in my third video for lesson number 2 for Woodworking Episode 1 for IND 3603 Industrial Design Model Making Technique. In this episode, I will show you how to make a model using two different types of woods. These woods have different properties such as color, grain, and softness. Basically, you need to understand these properties as it will affect the way we treat it and how we can use it in making a design model. I won't do much talking in the video as I need you to focus on the process of how we can deal with this natural gifted material and with the complement of man-made machines. So please look out for every technique that I use in the whole woodworking process. And then I will get back to you to recap and discuss further after the video. Without further ado, let's see what I have prepared for you in the video. Enjoy! Hello, welcome back. I believe all of you missed the machine very much as we still under MCO due to COVID-19. Okay guys, that is only how to fabricate the raw base without any finishing. As you can see, I use defected wood. However, there is always a way how to still use it to become a very good output, which you can learn how to do it from my next video. So to recap, the most important things in making a design model is planning. Even you use different type of material, planning is vital. Therefore, let's meet up again on the episode 2 of woodworking, and I will show you how to do the awesome finishing later on. Until then, see you in the next video on the link below.